In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close or delete a data source from a Tableau workbook. This process is essential if you're looking to maintain a clean and efficient workbook environment, especially when you're dealing with multiple data sources that might clutter your workspace or outlive their usefulness in a project. Let's begin by opening the Tableau public app. If you have the application pinned to your taskbar or in your Applications folder, you should know just how easily it can be accessed. Once the app is up and running, it's time to access your worksheet. Make sure you have the particular workbook you want to work on open. It's worth noting that being organized with your workbooks and sheets saves you a ton of time, especially when you're managing several projects at the same time. Now turn your attention to the Data pane, which you will see on the left side of the screen. This pane displays all the data sources associated with your workbook. Identifying the correct data source is crucial here, as each data source could contain different sets of information relevant to different parts of your workbook. Carefully scroll through this list if you have multiple data sources and select the one you intend to either close or remove. With your target data source in sight, you'll need to right-click on its name. This action will prompt a context menu to appear with several options. Among these, you will find the option to Close. Simply click on this and the data source will be closed. While these steps might seem straightforward, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. First, ensure that the data source you are closing isn't being used actively within any visualizations or calculations, as doing so might affect your workbook's integrity. Closing a data source doesn't delete it entirely from your machine. It simply removes it from the current workbook, effectively decluttering your immediate project. If you ever wish to re-import a data source that you've previously closed, rest assured it's simple to add it back as needed. Just follow your usual import steps, and your workbook can easily reconnect with the data source. Keep these easy steps in mind, and you'll be able to manage your Tableau workbooks efficiently, allowing you to focus more on analyzing your data instead of managing excess or outdated data inputs. Thanks for watching, and until